Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a Google Gemini desktop shortcut on Windows. So if you're using Gemini a lot now, you can create a little shortcut so you don't keep having to type into your browser. So it's really easy to do. Open up your Gemini account. Then you're going to go to the top right hand corner where there's the three dots. So I'm going to click on there, scroll down to where it says cast, save and share, then scroll across and click on create shortcut. So then you can give your shortcut a name, so leave it as Google Gemini or put whatever you want, then click on create and you can see it's been added to my computer. So when I have a look on my desktop, it should be added there. Let's have a look. And there we are. So I've got a Google Gemini desktop shortcut now. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.